Are you starting your content creation journey and wondering how you're going to monetize your content without a massive following? No worries, I got you. Linktree, the OG link in bio, has had a glow up. And today we are going to go over all of the latest features so that you can turn your link in bio into a powerhouse. The best part is, it's going to be way under the price of those other software. That's right. You can build a storefront, capture your emails, sell digital products, launch a course, and so much more. Most of these items are included in the free plan, and upgrading to Pro is just about $10 a month. So let's head on over to Linktree's website and sign up for a free account. And once you're in, you'll see how intuitive it is to set everything up. Let's do it. Now don't worry, I'm going to put a link in the description so that you don't have to worry about heading over to Linktree right now. This is the back administrative end in which you will see when you're setting up your account. Now I'm doing mine from my laptop. You can set it up on your mobile laptop, but I do feel that if you're able to get to your laptop or desktop, you want to have more space to view everything that you need. Now, Linktree is no longer about linking your socials anymore. Linktree has had a major glow up and is catered to the creator. With the new Linktree shop feature, you can curate your own store and curate your favorite selection of your favorite products across 150 brands, like Amazon and Ulta, allowing you to earn commission through affiliate marketing, all without having to sign up with these brands or even pay a platform fee. This is included in the free version of LinkedIn. This means you can start earning money. On your content from day one, just by sharing products that you love. Setting up your storefront is pretty straightforward. What you're going to do is choose products that resonate with you and your content and add them to your Linktree. Then customize the layout to match your vibe. For example, Forgettable Scents collection. These are my favorite scents that I'm currently wearing for this spring and summer. In order for me to add a new product to my collection, I simply open up my collection, select edit, and here I can explore products from the top retailers. Here you will see all of the brands that are affiliated with Linktree. You are automatically partnered with these brands without you even have to submit an application to become an affiliate. They're big name brands. You have Sephora, Amazon, Adidas, Nike, Ulta, Revolve, American Eagle, and so many more. Go to Sephora. When you're opening the Sephora tab, it's going to tell you what products are selling at the commission rate. So the green box here is going to be your commission rate that you're going to get per sale of each product. Now feel free if you want to make posts about some trending products you can select some trending products and add it right to your storefront. But for this example, we're doing perfumes. So you can literally search. So you can use the search bar just as if you're using the search bar at Sephora. And by me just putting in YSL perfume, it's going to give me a listing of perfumes that are available at Sephora. And from this selection, I will see how much commission I make off of each one, as well as what's currently in stock for them. And once it comes up, it's going to show you the commission rate that you're going to get, along with the current price for that item. This is a very light scent that I like to use, so I am going to add it to one of my unforgettable scents. So once you've selected it, it's going to drop down here and says that you have selected it, and now it should have 4 items in my unforgettable scents catalog, and I'm going to hit continue. Upon hitting continue, it's going to throw it right to my shop. Add it, and then I'm going to close out my collection. Bonus tip, if you make content on IG or TikTok, you can make your Linktree videos shoppable, allowing your viewers simplicity in finding your links. Let me show you one.
Let's go to the back house for this one. So for you to make your post shoppable, this is what you're going to do. Under your shop tab, go ahead and hit add. Then we hit post. Once your posts for your connected socials load up, you're going to select your most recent post or whatever post you want to make a shoppable post. As you can see here, I have TikTok and Instagram connected. And for this example, we're going to go ahead and use my TikTok. I currently am using the C-Like probiotic mouth spray along with these No BS tablets that I absolutely love. But for this example, I'm going to use the C-Like probiotic spray because I forgot to link the product on one of my videos. So once you found your post, mine is going to be one of the reply posts that I did to the original C-Like probiotic sprays. You're going to hit continue on the post that you've selected. Once you select continue, it's going to take you to where you can add your product to your post to make it shoppable. For this one, I'm going to add it from Amazon. So I'm just going to type the name of the product in there, select it, and hit continue on that. And it's going to add it to that product as a link. Now, from here, you can do a description, or you can go ahead and publish your post. We're going to go ahead and publish the post because I already had a description and all of those things attached to this post. But feel free to play around here and edit what you would like for yours to say. And just like that, you've created your first shoppable post. Now, you can share this on your stories and IG as well, so that you can have it kind of posted in two places. Just remember to copy the link and put it in your story, and then add a sticker that is a shoppable link to post. So back on the back end of my Linktree, you will see I have 2 shoppable posts now listed. But creating shoppable posts and building your own storefront on Linktree is not the only way that you can monetize. Linktree allows you to monetize by selling digital products, creating courses, selling physical products, and so much more. Go on over to the Earns tab on the left-hand side of your Linktree, and you will see the ways that you can earn money with Linktree. Now, these all are included in the free plan of Linktree. And if you want to upgrade, it's only $9 a month. For this example, I'm going to show you how to upload a free digital product on your Linktree. Honestly speaking, every creator should have a freebie. If you're a cleaning creator, a free weekly cleaning list. Cooking creators, 2 free recipes. A simple how-to guide or a simple template goes a long way giving your community value. And creating a digital product is very simple utilizing Canva. Now, if you do not know how to use Canva, no worries. I'm going to include a free Canva Unleashed guide in the description of this video. That's right. Just for sticking around with me and viewing my video, I'm going to give you a free guide on how to utilize Canva. Why, you may ask? Because I believe in helping all mamas get started in their content creation journey. And if that's one thing I can take off your plate, I'm happy to do so. Now, if you want me to shoot a video on how to create a digital product, just let me know in the comments and we can do that as well. And then remember to come back and reference this video on how to upload it to your Linktree. So let's go ahead and add our digital products to our Linktree for free. Now, remember when you're in Canva to download your digital product in a PDF format. So once you've downloaded your product, you're going to go over to the Earn section, click Digital Product, and then you're going to select digital product either here or at the top. It doesn't matter which one you select, but we're going to select digital product. The setup wizard for digital products and Linktree is Chef's Kiss. Very easy to follow. So we're going to upload our thumbnail, which we've created in Canva. And also remember, when you're downloading your thumbnail, to download that in a JPEG or PNG. I like to make my thumbnails in PNG and make them very simple for users to follow what they need. Find what they need. Now that I've cropped my thumbnail, I'm going to go ahead and upload it. Then give my digital product a title. And also remember, if you're doing a free download, sometimes just putting the word freebie or free download here is a great way to have your community know that you value them. And then when it comes to the description, go ahead and put what they can find in that free guide that you are creating. Now, when uploading your digital product, make sure you download it from Canva in a PDF format. And you're going to upload it simply right here, following the wizard that is provided from Linktree. Once it is uploaded, you're just going to go ahead and hit continue, and then we're going to follow the prompts. Now, this is exactly what you need to pay attention to. What information are you going to collect from somebody who does download your product? And I do recommend that you collect their name and email. Only reason being is because depending on what social platform you utilize, if that platform goes down, you still want a way to connect with your community and let your community know what you're up to in case you didn't post for a while, or you have some exclusive content that you want to get out to them. By collecting their name and email, you're going to be able to build your email list and have them follow you no matter where you decide to create your content. Just to let you know that if you are putting a price tag on your digital product, you do need to have that terms and conditions box available so that they know there's no refunds for a digital download product. But you do have to upgrade for that it is not a non-negotiable. If you're selling a product, that is a FTC regulation. You have to have terms and conditions if you're selling a product. But we are doing a free product today, so we're not going to worry about it. Make sure that you have a business email tied to your Linktree, because anybody that downloads something from you needs to be able to get in contact with you if the download didn't work or they were unable to read something, just so that you can fix it as good customer service. So once you have uploaded everything, go ahead and hit continue. We're going to set a price. When you set a price, remember to go ahead and make sure you have that terms and conditions available. But this one is a free guide, so we do not have to worry about that on this example. And now we're ready to publish. And just like that, your digital product is ready. And if you look to the right of the screen, it's automatically loaded to your Linktree storefront. And of course, I'm going to put a link to my Linktree so that you may download this free guide as well. Don't forget that you can customize the way you want your downloads to look. I like to use the featured for my free downloads so that it attracts my visitors directly to it. Let's talk about designing your Linktree while we're here. So if you look at the top right hand corner, you'll be able to design your Linktree. Now there are small capabilities that you can design in the free plan. I have the pro plan, so I like to play around with the hero versus just the circle, just designing it to make it my own vibe. Again, you do not need to purchase the pro plan when you first start. Let's start at the free plan so that you can get to build your audience and focus on your content. But with the free plan, you do have access to a few of these design elements just to make your own Linktree feel like it's your own little web space. And as you design your Linktree to make it your own, the preview of it will be listed on the right hand side so you can see exactly the changes that you're making. Going back to ways to earn on Linktree, you can also create a course. And Linktree has partnered with one of the biggest course creators online, and that's Kajabi. Yes, you can create a course with Kajabi under your Linktree. I currently do not have a course available, but I am in the works of creating a course. And when I do, of course, I'll walk you through the process of how to create your course in Kajabi through Linktree. But for now, let's take a sneak peek and see exactly what it looks like. So as soon as you hit course, Kajabi loads up, and it looks like it's a pretty easy walkthrough setup wizard. Now be mindful, with courses, you can release everything at one time, making it self-paced, or you can make it a drip course. I do recommend you doing a drip course, especially if you're in the middle of building it and you want some feedback from your purchases. Just do a drip course so to make sure that they are doing one part at a time and following the course as you desire it to be laid out. Remember, if your course has a fee, to have those terms and conditions listed that we talked about previously in the video. Also remember that Linktree is allowing you to sell physical products as well. They have partnered with Teespring so that you can sell shirts and tumblers, all of those things. As your audience grows, you'll be able to add more products. And before we wrap up this video, I want to talk to you about one important thing, and that's monitoring your audience. Now, I just set this Linktree up, but I want to show you exactly where you can monitor your audience capture tools. This will show you how many people have subscribed to you, on top of how many people have downloaded your digital products or courses. And at the top of this page, Linktree is going to show you how to grow your audience. So be sure to take a look into these tips as well. Well, that wraps up the Linktree Glow for Creators. I hope that I've inspired you to go ahead and create your shop so that you can start earning on your content from day one. And if you found this video helpful at all, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so that other mamas like us can find out how they can create their shop and earn from their content too. And don't forget to subscribe while you're there so that you can keep getting content like this from me. Remember, you don't have to be a mega influencer to create an income online. Us micro creators are out here doing the damn thing and building six-figure businesses just by sharing our relatable life. And you can unlock your gift too. So what's stopping you? Let me know in the comments and we'll conquer that fear together. Until the next one. Okay, love you. Bye.